Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System. Now you need to select On-Screen Keyboard, click on Gboard, and finally access Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are located here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!